Hello everyone, welcome to Australia. Welcome to Simon Tools. Sorry. So one news I'm gonna do for you today is when we split the the water from here out, from these two joints, and then we get one end go in here, and one end go into the radiator. Is the brand new radiator we buy is up an automatic. An automatic, they have the oil on both sides. On one side they have the oil reading, but in this case this car is manual, and we don't want using the oil, and we can't order manual one. They only come with automatic radiator, so easy deal. We, instead of you using oil go through that radiator, we're using water as well, so the water flow around, circulate into the radiator and come back out here, make it even better and cooler. So it's about time to wrap up, put our gearbox installation and put it in the car right now. Too heavy. If I have an old tire, would be great, so I can put the car down. I don't want to damage my brand new oil sump. So what I do is I need some racks or something go underneath, so I don't want to damage my pants, man. And then got to line this one, and when you check it up, this should be go across like this. We don't want to go along different way. Will be the same shape to any other cars. Flywheel in and clutch in and the gearbox in, and all you have to be aware is replace the new seal for the main shop if you wish to do it, and if you don't want to do it, it's up to you. Okay, that's it. That's how you install the clutch and brakes, the clutch symbol to any other cars. Difficult when you try to light up the clutch, because they don't have the alignment for the clutch, because in here, out here, see the gear is small, in here is big. So, and the shaft, it just slides straight in without any bearing or anything. Okay, so that's why we're not very good the way designed without any bearing in here. Not that good at the Honda or the Ford Falcon AU, it got the rod bearing is perfect, but this one haven't got one. Okay, so that's one thing I disappointed about this car. The gearbox doesn't look good without anything holding and balance the shaft here for the gearbox. In or out the car, when you install the clutch, with the safety blades to put the clutch in the floor right way all the way with the pin, and then light up like this, and then put one bolt just along there, and then you pull it out. If you inside the car or underneath, and see this one, the thick one, we use this one again because the clutch is still good. Okay, the one with the thick outside, the thin inside all the time. I don't care what people see. Okay, like that all the time. Okay, and then we go like that, and we can put our bolt. Make sure we got the spring and got the side. I don't want it came up. Okay, for the 2,200 km per hour, I don't want it came up. I used to have the old alignment, that's the go alignment, the outside that matter, and take it inside and holding outside, make it level, but I lost it. So all I do is just try to get something that can go in properly, and he give me help lift up and make sure I see this one at the center, and make sure look around if it's center around, and you'll be happy to go. But normally before I have the old tools, that alignment from the outside here, if you remember, let me know. But we don't have that one no more, because we never thought that we have to do something with this and have nothing inside the middle there for the sharp balance on this edge here. See, because in here it's small, inside there is bigger, so nothing helping to holding the ends of the shaft when it slide in, and it holding like the Ford Falcon. Okay, so that's it. It's in the center now. I can do it, just bolt them all on. And happy to put the clutch, gearbox in. Okay, that's all I have to do, and nothing else we can do. But it's outside, it's not easy. But if inside the car, I suggest you have to go and get the proper one is alignment outside, and you can line up straight in and twist and turn it outside and it's straight up this one, and this one will be straight. But I don't have that tools, but luckily it's outside. Experience. We put the back one in first, and then all the rest come last, and this will be easy for you. So just put the gear engine mount on, bolt them in tight, and then we go in and bolt them on first, and then all the rest we bolt on later. Too high, too tall. Get out here. Get out here. And make sure, check the cylinder oil. Check the flux underneath if you tie them. So make sure tie this one in. Tie the flux here. So we tie this one in. Later, fill the oil with the shaft on. Fill the oil until they spill out. That means we got enough oil coming. Now we slide them on. Super easy at that. Now I can go. Only one I want. Water. Oh, get out of the way. I have to move back on that side more. Now we go. This look better, and better. That's it. Clear up. Now I take under control myself. Okay. Avoid the weight of the water bottle. Let it go down slowly. Go out this way. Go out this way. Come in here. Should be handy. So in there. So we pull this one out a little bit. That's it. Pull this one out a little bit. And we go down. That's it. Now we go down slowly. Okay, take it easy, slowly. Try to diagonal, so make sure they don't touch and break the bottle. If you want to make it easy, you can take up the bottle, but I'm lazy. Okay, what I do is look on that side, see any stick on, and we'll be right. Freely go. See, that's how you put them on. Bottom one, the bottom one we go last, but we go into install one by one each side of this one. On this side as well, and we are all right to let go down the change, and we'll be all right. Make sure all the bolts were nice and tight with number 14, and now we can jack it up, and we've put the bolt on this side on. See, it will automatically in itself the line go in right there, see, and then we go to that side, and this one last and that one super last. So we put the bolt through and then we go that side. So this bolt, when you put them separate together, they already got the bolt, so you already know. Easy for you. What you do is just go like that. And if you go with the, if you want to tight, you tight, okay? Don't worry about me. You do whatever you want to do. You do whatever you feel safe, you safe, okay? Safe to do so. Don't say Simon. That's it. This side is super strong, and you can see the engine very stable now for one side without any wobbling. And one more here. See, the rubber stay still really helped me. So the rubber's really good. Okay, we got that one there. Okay, we may have the problem with the oil over there, so don't worry. See this one? Just thumb in, put it there, and put the bracket over, and it two over, and we'll be right. See, it's going to be like that. See, very easy this side. So okay, bolt. And we may have to go underneath and do the oil fitting, and we have to move it somewhere for the oil coolant. Okay, we have to move somewhere. We have a little bit trouble with the fitting there for the shaft. We try to put, after we put all the engine mount and everything on, and we try to put the shaft in, see if the wheel shaft they go in and it's not touching, and we'll be right. If it's touching, will be no good for us, okay? Because they see that one there, the shaft go there and go there, so we have to move something. Release and put the jack down, safe to go, and then later we're gonna tilt in and out by hand, and we put the last one in that one. Look like it's safe to let go. Finish install the engine, and this is how we install them. Not hard. And everything on place, and it should be go on the location, and you can enter. See this one, and line this one in, and when you line this one, chop it down, and it will be go online itself, and chop will be complete. So everything now we move up and down by a jack, and we may have to move this one away from the, see the waste gauge, we have to take it up, and we move the waste gauge go down that way so we can enter our, see, because we're not in the car, we never know where it's gonna rupturing and touching. So move this one, and first thing first, have to put the engine mount in properly all the way around first, and then we'll see which one is not clearing. So we have to make the clearance for the water here, and then this one where the clearance go for the line, and where the clearance for the water oil feeding, and we'll be all right. Okay, that's it. The engine install done, and now all we have to do is replicate feeding, all the feeding, and start it up, see how it go. So thanks for watching Simon, and whole long day been playing with this, put the engine back together, and put them on, and some troubles still have to fix here and there. Okay.